Hello again. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a twice primed gold canvas. And I used my gold mica powder for the second coat, and I used some gold that I still had hanging around. Since I don't use it anymore, I figured I might as well coat a canvas with it. But this is the gold mica powder mix. It's about the thickness of slightly thinner than warm honey. And well, we're here. I do this because I can. This is the name of the book. This is the newly published paperback version of the ebook that was out since just before Christmas 2018. And it's the first 100 videos I recorded for YouTube, and tools, and the dry artworks, and the processes, and all the links are probably easier to find in the ebook, but if you get the paperback version, the ebook makes it available. The ebook becomes available for like $3. So I have been using acetate sheets. I'm not sure how clean they should be. They should probably be cleaner than I have them. I've been using a canvas board to knock my paint off with, but I've been using so much of it, there's almost no waste like I would expect there to be, and so that's an issue as far as using that canvas goes right now. But for the moment, I just want to play with what I've got here, assuming I can get it all to come out of the bottles, which are all pre-mixed with Deco Art Pouring Medium and Floetrol and GAC 800 by Golden to keep the paint really from cracking. So I've been doing geometrics and just using the acetate cards. And I have no plan, like I said, exactly in mind, except for evidently I'm going to be spending half of my time opening bottles with a bamboo skewer. And what else do I want in there? I like how this looks together. I don't have any expectations. It's a total experiment as far as using things like that Artist Loft neon pink. But I think that as long as it's there, and I know that the Prussian blue I just used has a tendency to sell, we might as well use some more and get rid of the residual on the card as well. And if I get rid of enough residual on the card, then it might be okay for me to go ahead and use some orange, which was my plan. But I can also use what's on the card as a dip card. So wherever I want to put it, I get a mark. Really, it's going to just be that way. And I saw something in there. Go buy something in there. Alright. I don't really like taking the skewer that I just used to clean a Prussian blue bottle with, and mix it with something else, but I guess I'm just still playing. Let's see. I often say that I like the gold and the yellow together, so this is my opportunity. I haven't used any copper, but I kind of think I might like to. But it doesn't want to come out right now. Whoops. I guess it'll come out a little bit. I have some thinner pieces of card, and I do just want to drag some of them around. I am going to use this card again, and that's clean on that side. I can not just pull it back, but I can push it forward and then just give myself a little pressure. I haven't used any white. I think I want it to be white pearl on the gold canvas. But obviously I'm going to be, like I said, spending half my time opening my bottles. Let's go ahead. I don't know if I'm going to go all this way or the other way or both ways. I kind of want some red in there. And I have a fairly color-friendly card on the other side of this. I'm trying to go in both directions. I don't know what I'm going to get, but I'm having a good time trying to find it. I'm going to stick with that white pearl. I think that might be my friend. I kind of want some darker color down there. And I'm going to go ahead. Yes, I am. Am I? Oh, it feels so risky. I'm just going to push that off, and then I'm going to wipe it off because I want that to be somewhat cleaner than it seems like it is right now. Alright, so that didn't really do what I wanted it to do, but that's okay. Because it will when I'm done with it. I will bend you to my roll. I really love that pink. I'd like it to stay on the gold. I really would. Ooh. Splooge. Splooge with something in it? Yes. Goodbye something in it. I want some white in there. I think I'm going to have some leftover color from that particular. I'm just going to drag really lightly and just use my leftover as a dip. And maybe even... Do I have a smaller card? I do. Yes, that worked. Thank you. I'm glad it worked. This is cool. I've never done this before, and that's okay. That's how we learn. I experiment. I have a spatula that has paint all over it. That's too bad. That needs to go in the bucket. Oh well, never mind. And this could take a while because I'm really definitely not up for wasting my 2 days worth of priming of a gold canvas to... Oh yes, the black is right. Cool. I'm having it. What else? Do I want some gold in there? I may. Because, really? You knew that was coming, didn't you? I could use the white pearl. I still could use the white pearl. I have another card and I want to use it. I'm going to press that right down and then pull it along. And then, I think, because I love what's happening over here with this, and I love it so much, I think I'm going to let myself play in those colors. And then wipe off my card. Actually, I think I'm going to go right over the edge right there. I never get enough of that purple. Never, ever. And I keep forgetting that I have a card that's uneven. I think I want to see what that white pearl does all alone, but I guess I could do that right here. All alone with the color that was on my card. Just going to put the color right on my card. And press it into place since it's not even there. I'm liking a lot of that. I'm not sure what I'm going to add on either side of that yet, or even what kind of card I'm going to use to do it with. Or if I'm going to put anything else in there. Someday I can remember some of this stuff I'm doing so I can repeat it. Yeah, okay, fine. I'm just got to go for it. I'm going to dip into the yellow, come back for the red, squeeze it down again, drag it down. Yeah, that's an interesting color combination. I don't mind that. I think I like this a lot. So much so, I'm just going to go ahead, move right on up. I said I was going to take some of that pearl, play with it. No, that's still not bothering me. I don't know how far I want to go with that Prussian blue because as much as I like that mark, there we go. That's okay. Just going to keep using what I've got on my acetate. Make new stamps. I think there's a escape this way in my future. I'm not sure how that's going to work yet, but that's okay. I think I might have to clean my card off. Getting my fingers all gooey. That's the same color. I love that gold with everything. It looks like I have a need to cover something. Whoops. I think I better rescue that before it goes over. Leaks. How about a little of that white pearl in there? Ooh, I'm getting very, very risky here. It's pretty though. Alright, so do I have a dry side on this? I do. Let's grab the dry side. Let's push it right in there. Yes, we're getting down, getting funky now. I'm having a good time. I recommend this. It might take a couple tries to get it right, but I don't think anybody's going to tell you that you're getting it wrong either. It's just going to be your own problem if that's the case. I am almost done, and I have 5 minutes left. And I'm going to enjoy being able to allow myself to use a whole bunch of my leftovers on the card just as mark making tools. That is pretty cool. Definitely something I can see some teacher somewhere in school encouraging their kids to do. And I'm always saying I don't use enough just squeeze bottles. That was risky because there was stuff on that card, but I guess I'm in risk-making mode, risk-taking mode. Kind of want some purple over there. Go figure! Ha! Maybe not everywhere. Maybe just somewheres. I'm going to use the other side. What else am I going to do with that? I want some of that purple right there. I don't know if I'm going to get purple or not. But I'm going to get something. It has a certain rhythm to it that I'm enjoying. And I like this Prussian blue. I think I'm going to like it better with some other stuff mixed in. Just pressing that right down. I'm going to do it again. As long as I still got stuff. I like new techniques. New techniques are fun. Especially when I remember to leave my paint out of my way. I'm going to let that go right over. I'm going to decide whether I want or what I want. Every once in a while I just got to add a couple lines in. Couple fun, anomalous, what are they doing there lines. I think this up here would be great with some of that minty green in it. I hope that I am correct. That's not coming out fine that way. You don't have to wonder where I get them. I have like 3 or 4 bottles because there's always one plugged and there's always one ready to go somewhere if I find it. Alright, now do I go sideways or down? And I think I have to go sideways first. And then I am going to go down. I kind of want some white to go back up there with. White pearl. Let's just grab this other great batch of colors and use it. Yeah, I'm getting very close to being to the point where I'm not unhappy with anything and I can call it good. I'm going to let that black cover a little better. I don't have a lot of black in there. I'm not sure how much more paint I really need or want on anything. I don't mind getting down and getting funky and adding some stuff spontaneously. I am looking for something cohesive, but that's a word that may or may not actually apply because I'm working from a spontaneous viewpoint right now. I think the Prussian blue and some other blue. Oh, big drips. Yeah, that's okay. A little here, a little there. Do I want that there? I'm not sure. Kind of like that. Kind of don't mind those at all. I am having such a good time, I have to tell you. And I'm going to run out of time. And I can tell you everything I was supposed to tell you video before last that I forgot, which is buy my book on the Amazon link, where you can also find the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. Wait, I got them right here. And the OXO omelet turning spatula. Best paint spreading tool around. Not that I'm using it in these videos right now. Stop that. I should have pressed you off. Evidently not. So right at this moment, I think I'm as close to calling it done as I ever have needed to. But I want to play with the edge of my card and add a few miscellaneous, fun, textural elements. Because I can. The name of my book. I'm like that. I never used to be self-promoting. Which reminds me, please give me a thumbs up and please watch as much of the video as you can if you want to help me out. And if you can afford to help me out, you will be you will be entered in a contest where you will have an opportunity to win one of 3 or 4 paintings this month when I finally post them. Yay. Whichever month this happens to be. By contributing through PayPal or Patreon. And the links are below the video. Underneath Show More, you have to click Show More. That'll also take you to my my Facebook albums of wet and dry artworks from YouTube, my Pinterest, my Instagram. That was kind of cool. I think that was a good thing. Not only that, I liked it so much I'm going to do some more of it. Because I can. That's awesome. I'm having so much fun doing this geometric stuff. I hope you guys decide to, to get brazen. Get brazen, get brave, have a go, do some stuff out of your comfort zone, and have some fun. What else did I forget? I'm sure I'll run out of time. The paint pouring recipe, my paint bottles are all mixed in advance, and I think I told you guys that. And that recipe is below Show More underneath the video. And I do sell my artwork, so if you're interested in purchasing anything, please just contact me through YouTube, and I will give you an email. And same for lessons at the house in Spring Hill at the studio. I give them. Do I want that dot there? There's only one. There can be only one. Yeah, I don't think I mind one way or the other. I'm good with it. I love you guys. Thank you for all the contributions in the past. Keep making comments. You make my day every time. And I'll never stop loving you. There's 50,000 plus of you. And I hope to see you soon again in the next video. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio going, hey, thanks for joining me. Come again. And if you love my videos, watch some more. It helps me out. And I really appreciate it very much. Yes, I'm a fusser. I just need to keep fussing. I could do a lot more to this. I could add some more stripes and stuff, but I think I like it just the way it is because it's a lot of fun and it was a good experiment and I recommend it. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Oh yeah, there's over 450 videos in the last 20 seconds of this video on the